55. Section 4.2, talking about ratios. So in this particular video, I'm just gonna quickly introduce the concept of ratios. So just like very similar to rate, a ratio is a fraction used to compare two measured quantity or two quantity whose units are the same type. All right. So for example, if I ever need to compare feet to feet, okay, same type of units, we can write them out as a fraction, okay, so there'll be so many feet over so many feet. So because the units are the same type, very often the units will automatically cancel out. That's the reason why when we express our ratio, normally if we express them as a fraction, the units, we never write down the units because the units got canceled out. So a different way to write our answer for ratios. If I need to take some quantity compared to another quantity with the same type, we can write them as A to B or A semicolon B, or we can write it as a fraction. So I prefer most of the time write it as a fraction. Okay. Or because some of the homework says you can write the ratio as a fraction or with a colon. Either way will work. So let's see, ratio, same type, okay, same type of units. A bag contains the following marbles: 8 black marbles, 12 blue ones, 18 brown ones, and 6 green marbles. What is the ratio of brown compared to blue? So I'm comparing brown to blue marbles, brown to blue. All right, so browns are 18, so that'll be 18 compared to blue ones are, let's see, 12. So that's 18 compared to 12. So 18 marbles over 12 marbles, the word marbles will cancel each other out. That's the reason why I'm not even bothered to write down my units. All right, let's go ahead and convert this, reduce this fraction real quick. So that's 18 divided by 12. All right. So when we write the answer as a fraction, it doesn't matter if it's a proper or improper fraction, as long as it's a fraction answer. So I can write my answer as 3:2 ratio, or I can write it as 3/2, which we read as 3:2 ratio, or we can write it as 3:2 ratio. Either way will work. All right. But so if your calculator displays an mixed number, make sure you do the A, B over C. You got to convert from mixed number to improper fraction. Make sure you find this command, AB over C, compared to D over C or D over E. All right. Gotta find this command to convert between mixed number and improper fraction. All right, let's try this one. Okay, 54 of the 126 students in the band are female. What is the ratio of male? What's the ratio of male to female? So ratio of male to female. So the 54 represent females. So I need to find how many male that is because I'm trying to compare between male and female. So let's see. The male male got to be 126 minus the female. 126 minus 54, so the males are 72. What is the ratio of male compared to female? So these two, male and female, are both people, so we compare between the same type. So this is a consider. So this particular problem is considered as a ratio problem. other than it already told you it's a ratio. Male compared to female, so male go first, so male is on top. So there's 72 male compared to 54 female. So once I divide, because I know it's a ratio problem, 72 divided by 54, I cannot say my answer is 1.3 repeating, because ratio is always written in fraction, and the reason why it's written in fraction because inside the fraction we write them as integers. Okay, it got to be something compared to something. That's why using integer is the best way. So let me convert it into improper fraction. So that's a 4 to 3 ratio. So I can write as 4 over 3 or 4 to 3 ratio this way using colon. Alrighty. One group, called the group A, contain 45 people. 1/5 of the people in group A will be selected to win $15 fuel cards. Now there's another group B in a nearby town that will receive the same number of fuel cards, but there are 116 people in that group. Okay, so it's kind of not fair, right? Because it will receive the same number of fuel card as compared to the group A. What will be the ratio of non-winners, oh Lord, non-winners in group A compared to the non-winners in group B? Alright, so this is about comparing of non-winners. So clearly, all right, let's go to group A real quick. Group A. Group A has 45 people total. 1/5 of the people in group A will be selected to win that fuel card. But this problem is asking for non-winners. So 1/5 will win. That tells me that the other 4/5 is non-winners. All right, where did I get the 4/5 from? Because 1/5 plus 4/5 equal to the whole, equal to 1, the 1 representing the whole population, which is 45 people. All right, so the whole, the 1 representing all 45 people. So the quickest way to do this is take the 4/5 times, take the 45 times the 4/5, which is representing non-winners. So that means this answer will be for non-winners. And the reason I'm doing it this way, so it just be a lot quicker to figure out the non-winners. All right, so if I take 45 times 4 over 5, that will tell me there are 36 non-winners. Now, what most students do is take the 4 over 5 times the 1/5. Figure out how many winners there is, which is 9, and then subtract it from 45 people total. So I get the same 36. So instead of subtracting people, I subtract the fraction part, what they represent. Okay, so basically another way explaining 4/5 here is I take the total, which is the whole, subtract off 1/5 that will win, which will tell me that 4/5 of them will not win. Okay, that's where I get a 4/5 from. All right, now there is another group B nearby, right? Will receive the same number of fuel cards. So what that means is, in the group B, there are 116 people, right? It will receive the same number of fuel cards. That means it has the same number of winner as compared to town A. So in town A, I also figured out just now 9 people win. So for town B, it will also get 9 people as well. So if I take the total, subtract the 9 winner, that will tell me how many people would not win, which is 107. All right. So the nearby town, the group B in the nearby town will receive the same number of fuel cards as compared to the group A. So only 9 people win from group A, so group B will also get 9 people win. So if I subtract that from 116, that tells me how many non-winners coming from group B. So now I can do my comparison. Ratio of a non-winner of group A, which is 36, as compared to the non-winner in group B, 107. So I'm going to use my calculator to reduce this fraction for me for real quick. So that gives me same thing, 36 to what? 36 to 107 ratio. Okay, write it either way. All right, so quick 3 example on the ratio where we comparing 2 quantities who has the same type of unit. All right, that will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.